So, I made a video yesterday, but anyway, we had to let the meat birds out of there because look at them. Holy cow. We had to let the meat birds out of there because we had a bear. A bear walk right out of there. So I let them out, and we had them in the new coop last night. Look at that, eh? They're enjoying chicken life. That's a big bugger, eh? Where is he going? Is he retarded? Look at them, eh? Holy cats. They're like flapping their wings for the first time because they've really just lived in that little enclosure. They're ready to eat. They're huge. Hey, so as long as they know to come back, they're docile enough that they know to come back to the coop. And yeah. There you guys go. Hey, yeah, see, they're just one of the birds now, eh? Except for we eat them. Hey, Riff. Or that's Rio, sorry. Same thing. There's River, my baby. And there's Royal. Hey, Royal. Handsome devil. Good looking guy there, eh? Hey, Royal. So I'm going to keep a close watch on them today. Expecting a parcel. So I'll be around. I'm not going hiking today. Look at this one. He wants to eat my boot. They have really adapted, like, just to be one of the other chickens, you know. People will probably say, oh, you shouldn't exercise them. The meat's going to be all hard. Oh, well. What do we know? Fuck, man. Like, to be honest, we just started doing this because my wife wanted chickens, and same with the dogs, you know, like, well, I know, but I know they're going to probably have puppies. Look at him, he was trying to get her. Hey, Royal. These, yeah, it's kind of cool for these meat birds. At first they could barely walk even because I guess their muscles aren't, but they have adapted very quickly now. Look at the size of the feet on those meat birds there. Holy, yeah. Living the life of Riley for a change. Yeah. Sure, my neighbors will love that. Anyway, my wife's cooking me up 4 eggs and some toast right now, as a matter of fact, which I love to eat eggs. So another great reason when you have chickens, you can eat eggs. Anyway, we're waiting around for another order from Cabela's, and I'm gonna head inside, have breakfast, and I'll show you the what came in the mail yesterday. Yeah, my wife's cooking me up eggs.
No.
Huh?
Okay.
I said, no, she says.
Well, yeah.
And I'm like, yeah, she's cooking up eggs. Yeah.
With cheese.
With cheese.
Oh.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome. I love you.
Oh, thank you, honey. steaming hot eggs.
I think I'm staying
Beautiful.
home today.
Shows you how cold it is in here.
It is cold. But
Yeah.
it'll heat up quickly.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast.
I mean,
Whoa, eh? You guys. Hey, Zoe. All right. Enough, guys. Pretty excited. Pretty excited.